Hey guys, Frank Rich here, and today I am doing a new unboxing. It is the Riitek colorful LED backlight multimedia gaming keyboard. This video is going to be both an unboxing and a review because this is the second version of this keyboard that I've received. I've gotten two of this keyboard for review. Thank you very much to Riitek, very high quality company, and they compete with the top of the line brands. So I am going to be opening this box, and yes, so here we go. Alright. No, yeah, why don't I leave it on the table so you guys can see. Okay guys, so that's all open. We have a Riitek colorful LED backlight. So this is our manual on how to use it. Here's a look on how it will look like once it's plugged in. And then we have a little bit about the company. Very cool company. I definitely appreciate them sending these to me. So it works with Windows, Mac, Chrome, and Linux. So that's important for anyone who has those types of computers, so that's nice. Now, why don't I get the keyboard out so you guys can get a good look at it. So I'm going to move this box out of the way. And don't worry guys, for the future I'll find out a better way to get more in the camera, because I know it's a little bit zoomed in so it's hard to see, but it's the best I can do right now. So it has some stands on the back. Let me turn it around so you can see. Here's the cord. Now it might be hard to see, but there's some stands you can pop out to stand it up. So I'm going to stand it up just a little bit, and then I'll lift the camera so you can see. Alright, so here we have the keyboard. Very nice. That's how it sounds when you press it. Very, very nice indeed. So, alright, I will see you guys back when it's plugged in, and then we will be reviewing it. Alright guys, I am back, and it is plugged in. Here's my monitor. Alright, so as you can see, it's a rainbow LED keyboard. Very, very, very nice. You can see the Riitek logo right there. Very, very clear. And then over here, I have my Riitek mouse. And that's very high quality as well. So this is my gaming setup. Very cool. So overall, the keyboard is very nice. It is a little bit small, but not too small. I like it for the size because it fits very well on my desk. My desk is somewhat small, so that's nice. High quality keys. We will not be able to know how long it lasts until I can update months from now. But overall, it feels like it's good quality. It looks like it's good quality. And my issue with the last keyboard seems to be resolved. Last time I had an issue with all the scuff marks. Now it seems like there aren't any scuff marks, so that is very, very nice. Great job by them. So yeah, I would highly recommend. I believe this is about $13, $14, or $15, something around there, and that's definitely worth it for a keyboard that lights up and looks nice. And if I could try it, I think I can do a breathing mode. Let's see. Yep. So the lights will breathe on and off. So that's pretty cool. And I can hit it again and it goes back to normal. So yeah guys, I actually highly recommend this product. I couldn't think of any cons really. The first one, the con was the logo didn't look too good, but it looks great on this one, so that was just one minor issue. So I would definitely highly recommend this product if you want a budget gaming setup. So yeah guys, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in more videos in the future. Probably some games. Yeah, I have Star Citizen, so once that 3.0 comes out, that'll be fun because I did just recently get a new graphics card. So, alright guys, thanks for watching. Rich out.